We called this Ethereum's move months ago, and it's happening now. Phase 1, support held, 21 SMA reclaimed. Here's what happens next.
And we are currently testing the 21 and 50 SMA for Ethereum, which is a very good sign. Now, if we go to a trading chart here, I highlighted these areas for us here. We can see this green vector candle and holding support above the 21. Now, this is a fantastic sign for more continuation to the upside. We can see that this support zone here is also from the Fibonacci extensions. I highlighted this key zone for us here and previous market pivots. We can see that the Ethereum is holding. Next resistance zone that I want to see taken out is this anchored VWAP, the white line here. So it's the average price of all the purchases during the specific move from last year, or actually October 2023. We can see this white line is giving us the average price of all of the trading volume during this period, and that's currently sitting at roughly about $2,722, and it's actually right on top of the 50 SMA that's also sitting at roughly that $2,700 range. So I would like to see, for continuation to the upside, a push, hold, break above 2,700 and start holding this zone here between 2,300 and 2,700 as that key support. So push higher, break, and consolidate in this zone. The Fibonacci extensions is giving us a resistance area here between 2,700 and roughly 3,200. So we can expect Ethereum to start struggling at these higher levels here, but look for that building or sideways consolidation in the market during this period. If we can maintain and hold above this, we should be in a position to actually start pushing higher and maybe even attempting to try and reach these previous pivot highs, this triple top situation we had here. But let's take it level to level. For now, the momentum is still on our side with stochastics above the 80 level. However, we can see that it doesn't stay there very long. Previous cycles, we were there for about 5 weeks. So I'm expecting upside potential here for another 3 weeks or so, and then we can see what Bitcoin does as the momentum is waning with the stochastics RSI. So it looks like we have reached that resistance area, looking to consolidate and hopefully push higher in the next coming weeks.
If you want to get this trade alerts early, it's all in the FFA.